Hi, this happy looking chap you can see here is called Anthony Muscani, which he's an American with an Italian name, which I think originates from Sicily. The translation of which, for your edification, means left-handed. So now you can speak Italian. He's happy because he has just put together the program called the Trinity, which will be available for everyone from the 13th of this month, October, at a very, very reasonable price of $13. If you look at Munchai, you will see that it's advertised as the Trinity is a brand new 3-part system, making an easy $100 to $200 per day, with just a few minutes of simple work. However, I would like to say that from what I've seen in my study of this program, in my opinion, it's grossly understated. I would put the daily figure as being $1,000 per day. But then I suppose it's all down to how hard you're prepared to work. If you want an easy $100 to $200 per day, then it's easy. But if you're prepared to put a bit of work into it, then you will earn more, probably $1,000 per day. The reason why it's called the Trinity is because there are 3 sides to it. Your blog, YouTube that is, and email. Everything is worked in conjunction with the other and in a clockwork manner. And in the tuition you'll be taught exactly what you have to do. All very interesting stuff. I would like to add here that Anthony is very confidently putting in an extra 100% money back guarantee. So if you cannot earn at least $700 per week, that's the basic, then he will give you back your money. This strikes me as being a very, very great deal just for looking at it as a basic. For $13, you'll have a very easy to carry out system which will earn you $700 to $1,400 per week. Deals don't come that easy these days, and if I were you, I would grab it. The deal on offer is not finished yet. For your measly $13, Anthony will also give you 4 free bonuses. It's a bit difficult to understand these bonuses. One is the Holy Fast Cash Cheat Sheet, and the other 3 have got the same title. Use bonuses from El Bandito sales page. I know you will get 4 bonuses. If he says he'll give you 4 bonuses, you will get 4 bonuses. And you'll be able to decipher what that means when you get them. However, I'm going to add my bit to your bargain day, because if you look below this video, you will see a URL which is mine. If you click on it, it will take you to my website, where you will be able to see my 5 bonuses that I will give you, together with explanations as to what they are. I mean, well, let's remember just how much you're paying for this. You're only paying $13, and you get 4 bonuses from Anthony and 5 bonuses from me. The bargain of all bonuses. Now don't forget to click below this video and click on my URL, because then you'll get to where my information is regarding my bonuses, and you'll be able to purchase this lovely little system product for making easy $1,400 per week, if not a lot more. So there you go. It's up to you. I'll talk to you again. Bye.